Just getting the crank can waveforms here. I'm doing the relative compression test. Just let you hear the sound. Alright, the survey says did you see? One cylinder have a low compression compared to others. Before I going to do another relative compression test, I just want to identify which cylinder have a low compression. Now what I do here, just remove the spark plugs for the cylinder number 1. So that's that. Right. I'm going to get some in cylinder pressure waveforms. That's my way setup. Yeah, I got this kit from Ivan. The number 2 cylinder in cylinder pressure waveform. We went up to 2.5 volts. Now we're seeing the number 1 in cylinder pressure waveform. You can see the difference here. Oopsie. So it went up to about 4 volts up. Can you see? No, that's too loose. No. I think the tension is just a let go.